How to install Doona car seat base. If you're a new parent or caregiver and wondering how to install a Doona car seat base correctly, you're in the right place. A properly installed car seat base is critical for your baby's safety, and today, I'll walk you through step-by-step instructions, common mistakes to avoid, and expert safety tips to make sure your Doona car seat is secure every time. Installing the Doona car seat base correctly ensures maximum protection in case of a sudden stop or accident, reduced side-to-side movement, proper alignment for your infant's head and spine. Even a small installation mistake can reduce the effectiveness of your car seat, so following the right steps is essential. Before installation, place the base in the back seat of your vehicle, recommended for safety. Make sure the vehicle seat is flat and stable. Check the level indicator on the Doona base. Always read both the Doona manual and your vehicle owner's manual. This is the most common and easiest method. Locate your vehicle's latch anchors, found between the seat back and seat cushion. Extend the Doona base latch connectors fully. Attach the red hooks to the metal anchor points until you hear a click. Pull the tightening strap firmly until the base does not move more than 1 inch side to side. Check the green indicator on the base. Green means secure. Once the base is installed, click the Doona car seat into the base until you hear a distinct click and see the green indicator. If your vehicle doesn't support latch or you prefer using a seat belt, place the base on the rear seat facing backward. Thread the lap shoulder belt through the belt guide on the base. Buckle the belt and pull it tight. Lock the seat belt if your vehicle allows it. Ensure the base is snug and level. Then, attach the Doona car seat to the base until it clicks securely. The base should move less than 1 inch side to side or front to back. Feel firm when you tug at the belt path. Sit level with the ground. If the base feels loose, retighten the latch strap or seat belt immediately. Some slight movement is normal and intentional. It helps achieve a proper level during installation. Absorb impact forces during a collision. However, excessive movement means the base is not installed correctly. Final safety tips. Always double-check the green indicator. Never drive with a loose base. Recheck installation after long trips. Consult a certified child passenger safety technician if unsure. Now you know exactly how to install a Doona car seat base safely and correctly. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe for more child safety and car guides, and comment below if you have questions. We're happy to help.